Ito, first vlog ko to for example, di ba? I know madami akong cringe-worthy moments kapag pinanood ko ulit ng pabalik, but it's okay. At least I started something and it won't be perfect for sure, but I'm already proud of myself for starting this and conquering my fears of public speaking, in our case, virtual public speaking.
What's up, future and fellow CMOs? I'm Queen. I'm your Coach Marketing Officer. Today, it's my first vlog! Ay, hindi pala vlog to, no? YouTube video na lang para safe. I created this page. If you're new here, malamang you're new here because it's my first vlog or my first YouTube video. I'm gonna share with you guys everything I know about building your own business, developing your own brand, purposeful brand rather, profitable and at the same time impactful. So I'm your Coach Marketing Officer because I'm a coach. I'm just here to hone your best potential. I can't really play for you, but I can't win without you. Together, we can win this branding game. Win this branding game or this business game, right? So I've been an athlete for more than 10 years and I can say that I've developed a mindset of an athlete, not just the physical aspect, but also the mindset. So I'm here sharing with you everything I know from my experience for the past 7 years in building a brand with a 3,500 peso capital to a 3.5 million monthly gross. So if interested kayo sa mga topics na ganon, growing your own brand, building your own brand, DIY tips, then you're on the right page. So join me in this field and I'll be happily training you mentally, physically, basta holistic approach in brand development and business development. So if you're interested, click like, notification bell, share with your friends, and subscribe. The reason why I finally gave in or said yes to this is that my creator talked to me. And I believe that the blessings that I received should be multiplied 1,000,000 times. And para daw siyang itlog na ang blessings mo, ang skills mo, ang knowledge mo, ang experience mo, kapag tinago mo lang sa shell at hindi mo kinrak, mabubulok lang at hindi siya magiging sisiyo or chicken sa loob ng eggshell. So here I am breaking my shells, hoping that I can share with you my 2 cents in starting your own business para naman lahat successful, diba? So I believe that this is a perfect timing for everyone, especially for my friends, my families, kasi we all know that we are experiencing difficulties during this pandemic. And this is the best opportunity for me to share with you everything I know with the hopes that I can help you start your own business, even just to survive this pandemic. So how will you cut the market? Let's play. So before I share with you about my tips in creating a brand or leading your own company, growing your own empire, let's talk about the mindset. I want to know first if you are already prepared. So first, before leading other people, how do you lead yourself? So here are my no BS tips in leading yourself first and finally starting your own business. Number 1, allow yourself to be a beginner. So,
Ito, first vlog ko to for example, di ba? I know madami akong cringe-worthy moments kapag pinanood ko ulit ng pabalik, but it's okay. At least I started something and it won't be perfect for sure, but I'm already proud of myself for starting this and conquering my fears of public speaking, in our case, virtual public speaking. So,
what are the values or the qualities that you have to embrace in allowing yourself to be a beginner? Number 1 for me is openness. So, what is openness? So, have the learner's mindset, explore the unexplored sides of you.
The unexplored sides of you.
Because starting a business won't be easy. I will never say that it's easy, but I can say that it's a fun process that you can enjoy as well. Hopefully you can enjoy as well. Number 2 is humility. Accepting that this is something new for you, and it's okay to suck at first because you're only starting. And that's okay, that's fine. I sucked big time when I was starting this business. I didn't know a lot of things, you know? I got intimidated by professionals who've been doing this for the past, 20 years, 10 years? But no. As long as I accepted that it's okay, I'm starting out, so I need to learn as much as I can. And that humbled me. That humbled me down. And it opened my senses to learning new things. Number 3 is courage. Courage to even try, you know? Because for me, the worst thing than failing is not even trying. So, openness, humility, and courage. So how did I apply this during my first time starting a business? Or my early days, my naughty days, and it's fine. Again, it's fine. Sharing with you nung una, I was DIYing everything. So, yung mga first investments ko were a printer, Canon Pixma, 2,000 pesos, and then a paper cutter, 500 pesos. Marami yun sa Divisoria. Yung parang pang hardcore na ano. Pwede naman gunting, pero gusto ko yung paper cutter talaga eh. And then, probably 10 pairs of my product. Those were just 3,500 pesos in total. And I just used my second-hand laptop from college and a second-hand phone, my first ever iPhone. That was iPhone 5 back then. Yun ang ginamit ko pang photography, pang gawa ng social media ko on my laptop, Photoshop, Adobe, even Paint. If naalala nyo pa yung Paint, sana magkaedad tayo, di ba? So, resourcefulness is key. Creativity. Maximizing what you already have. Yun, and nung time na yun, hindi ko minadali yung sarili ko na kailangan worth 100,000 agad yung printer ko pang professional. No, I was just enjoying the process of DIYing. So, alam nyo yung bumibili lang ako sa National Bookstore ng mga hard copies, hard papers, specialty papers worth 20 pesos siguro. And I just designed my own label, printed on my Canon Pixma worth 2,000 pesos with continuous ink. And the paper cutter, kinakat ko lang yon, and then fastener. Hindi pala, puncher pala. And then binubutasan ko, sinusuotan ko ng mga sinulad pa back then, and I have my own label. That's just about it. And customers are actually, or my first ever clients were actually appreciating what I do for them. Kasi siguro nakikita nila yung bakas ng DIY. And it's a big thing for them. So, nung mga first days ko, plakda sa floor. Wala na nga akong kwarto. Naging office na ng, I know, right? Or my brand. Naging office na ng brand ko yung mga kwarto ko, diba? Nag-excuse me na lang ako para makitulog sometimes. Pero wala. It was a disaster. But kulang na lang abot ng CR yung mga products ko or yung mga pinapack ko, no, during that time. So, it was really fun. It was a disaster. But I accepted. I know that sa umpisa lang siguro to, diba? And I'm learning so much about myself, about my creativity. Guys, just so you know, I was never a creative person. Hindi ako marunong mag-drawing. Kapag pinadrawing niyo ako ngayon, stickman pa rin, guys. Wala. As in, hanggang ngayon, even after 7 years of doing the business, I can just sketch, but just ko, pag pinag-drawing niyo ako, good luck na lang sa makakakita. Parang mas magaling pa sa akin yung grade 3, ganyan. Pero I just taught myself or educated myself about Photoshop, the Adobe programs, YouTube. I never enrolled in a professional setting, pero andyan naman ang YouTube, andyan naman yung Google. So, yun. wala talagang entitlement. Plakda akong plakda sa floor, hindi na ako minsan naliligo. So, everything from customer acquisition, photography, post-processing, posting, customer service, kulang na lang ako yung mag-deliver eh. Kumatok ako sa mga customers ko, and ito na po yung package. Yun na lang talaga yung kulang. So, I did everything from scratch, and that's okay for me. Number 2, I felt intimidated, of course, by the giants in the business field. Kasi ang dami nang nauna, diba? Napaka-professional na ng mga output nila. But what I did was not to be devoured by the intimidation. So, slowly but surely, I observed the other brands. I listed everything I liked and everything that I didn't like. And from the list of everything I didn't like, I improved those things. So, I maintained what I liked from the brand, and then I improved everything that I didn't like. So, competitors are actually blessings for you guys. They are guidelines. May existing na guidelines. So all you have to do is just research, list the things that you do like and you don't like, and improve the things that you don't like. So don't get intimidated. Instead, be inspired by them. So those are the doing parts, the action parts, you know. But my message for you is that every expert started as a beginner. I'm powerful not. Every time I do something big like this one, my mindset now while speaking is that every expert started as a beginner. And that's from Helen Haynes. So, yun, very empowering yung quote na yun for me. You have to be at peace. So, kailangan nyo mag-reconcile with the fact na you are only beginning. You are only starting. Actually, that's a good perspective eh. Kasi you have something to look forward to, an enormous room to grow, kumbaga. And that's something to inspire you, you know. You have so much things to learn. You have so much experiences to feel. And that's something that should motivate you. And you must not be intimidated by those who started. You're gonna get there. You're gonna get there, definitely, as long as you don't stop. But you should start trying now. So by being open, humble, and courageous, you're gonna do those things. The DIY examples I shared with you, how to overcome intimidation, what will be the benefits if you do that? What's in it for you? My tip is that you'll have the bench warmer mindset. So what's a bench warmer mindset? Kapag naglalaro yung teammates mo, may kalaban, nanonood ka lang at nag-o-observe ka lang. So what are the benefits of being a bench warmer? You'll get to observe your competitors from afar without the pressure of are you playing well? So you'll be more relaxed to observe the things, the people that have already started, or you can improve the things that you feel are lacking without the pressure of the crowd, the pressure of the scores. No, you'll have all the time to learn, to observe, to practice from afar, and that's the best thing that you can do while preparing for a business. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tips, and I hope my 2 cents really resonated with you. I may not please everyone, I may not help everyone, but that's okay as long as I helped you or one of the people, one of these viewers. That's my main goal when I inspire even just one of you to start your own business, to start your own brand, to start your own empire, and then I'm okay, I'm accomplished, I'm fulfilled, and that's my only goal. So if you guys are interested and you are connecting with me, you're resonating with me, we are compatible, then don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. I don't know, hindi ko pa alam kung nasan siya sa screen ko dahil this is my first video. If you guys want to share your questions, your hurdles, your obstacles before you can start your own business, please don't be shy to comment down below, and I will be happily answering your comments one by one. See you next time. This is a nice game, and see you on the next training.